This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon.
Of course, it sounds very exciting and challenging, and you're in the top management from day one. But you said about coordinating with other departments.
Yeah,
You were talking about that.
yeah.
So, what is the role of CSR? Is it just the role of compiling data from different departments, or like, can you be a little more
No,
specific?
it's not just about, yeah, it's not about compiling. Like say, for example, as for the Provisional Companies Act, you have certain related party transactions which are required to be placed before the audit committee and the board
True.
for its approval. So it's a company secretary's job to know what needs to be approved by the board, what does not. So we need to play the role of a counsel over there and get the relevant information. It's just not a job of getting all information, but the relevant information from the departments. And we need to kind of, discuss with the other departments that this is what is required from you, this is why it is required, and get that information, ensure it is accurate, and then place it before the committee and the board. So that role you can only play if you know the law. Only if you know the law well will you be able to get the right information from the various departments and place it before the board.
Exactly. I'm really happy you shared your experience, because I asked this specifically because a lot of students have a very wrong notion that CS role is some parts are very clerical and things like that. But like Arjun shared, it is more about the law, and you should be an expert in corporate law. And of course, in every job, there are few things where you may feel it's clerical, but that is part of every kind of job, not just the CS job. But since you're dealing with different departments, there's very high respect in the corporate. So, can you share some of the experiences on how other departments or the board looks at the position of company secretary?
It is a high responsibility job. Uh, if I can just say something over here, the chief executive officer of one of the organizations I was working for said that the company secretary plays the role of a guardian of the organization.
Yeah.
These were the specific words which were used because we are the ones protecting the company from a lot of or if I can just word it differently, by complying with the law, we are protecting the company and keeping it
Safe.
safe and viable and as a going concern, like I would say. These days, if there is any kind of a penalty which is quite high, it's a reputational loss to the company, which can other have, which can once again have other type of impacts. But pretty much the respect is there, the expectation is very high,
Mm.
and you are definitely seen as someone who is managing a very important role in the organization. At the end of the day, we are dealing with governance matters as well. So if we do our work well, if the company secretary team does a good job, the governance is actually stronger because we also are the ones who play the role of informing the board that these are some of the governance measures which needs to be adopted by the board as per law. So if we do a good job, then there's a better governance process which is implemented in like in the organization. If you have a better governance process, that's only going to help because if a company is run well, it will go far. And
So
so
CS can play a big role in running the company in the
absolutely,
right way and in the right direction.
absolutely. And we deal with so many stakeholders that governance, if you have the proper processes in place, then all this makes it what do you say, it makes it like a well-oiled machine. The whole thing runs properly. So it's the job of the company secretary to ensure that it is protected from all angles and the reputation is kept of the company. At no point of time is there any non-compliance. And once again, Alok, it's just not about company law here.
Exactly.
Company secretary also gets his hands on various other corporate laws. So it's ensuring that we are complying with those corporate laws as well. And if you are a listed entity, then of course your responsibilities are much higher, because you need to ensure that all the information which is expected to be disclosed on time are disclosed on time as per the requirements of SEBI. And you would just pretty much, yeah, I think it's ensuring the company is compliant. If it is compliant, the confidence of stakeholders is high, your like investor confidence is high, it's only going to help the company. So it is a big job we are playing. Yeah.
Yeah, I think the larger point which Arjun is making is about good governance. Whether it is a government, whether it is a company, whether it is even a non-profit organization, the success of that depends on good governance. And I think what Arjun is sharing with us is that the CS can play a huge role and a pivotal role in the company to be on the right path of good governance and being very successful.